Hello, my name is Darren Marinko. I'm with Epic 360 IT. We are here in Roswell, Georgia, and we are an IT services and help desk provider. We have a very clear vision, which is to enable our senior living associates to be their best at providing outstanding care to the residents of our communities. We do this by removing technology barriers for them. Phoenix Senior Living is one of our largest senior living community partners. They have over 46 communities in the Southeast. We started looking at POTS replacement solutions for Phoenix Senior Living for two main reasons. One was the cost, two was the visibility. An example of the high cost is an invoice I have here for $849 for a single month of service for a fire panel. Obviously, that's an unsustainable cost to our net operating income goals. We looked at several other solution providers, and the reason we chose Ooma was the outstanding portal that gave us the visibility we needed, not only into the health of the system, but also the costs that are incurred. In addition to that, the system was simple enough to install that we could use our local staff to do that. We also had 24/7 support. It allowed us to use our existing life safety equipment. We have the Ooma AirDial solution deployed at over 12 communities of Phoenix Senior Living. Because the solution is so scalable, we can deploy it at more. In addition to that, we have another customer partners development group. We can deploy the Ooma AirDial while they're doing renovations to protect the investment during this transition. One other great feature of the Ooma AirDial is the high availability. There's an active-active multipath that leverages both the WAN and the LTE to provide a high availability service. It's not unusual for our communities to experience a sustained internet outage. And when that happens, Ooma AirDial comes to the rescue to keep the service alive. In addition to that, if there's a power outage, the 12-hour battery backup keeps us running even when the lights are out.